Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The egg is the all-important binder in a sweet potato casserole. It enriches and stiffens the mixture without making it heavy. Make sure to cool the mash slightly before adding the egg so it doesn't scramble, and to stir well so there are no streaks of cooked egg white in the finished dish.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, this casserole can be frozen, but it should be cooked first. To freeze a cooked sweet potato casserole, whether it's whole or leftovers, let the casserole cool to room temperature, then store in a sealed container. For best results, frozen sweet potato casserole should be eaten within 2 months.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cornstarch, flour, tapioca, powdered milk, or a hard cheese like Parmesan are all great ways to get your potatoes a little thicker. Don't forget to sample your potatoes after adding your thickener so you can add more seasonings if needed.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Most people pair poultry and sweet potatoes. A roast turkey or chicken flavored with rosemary, thyme and sage pairs well with baked sweet potatoes and their caramelized crust. I like steak and sweet potatoes myself. Get a container of cream cheese, some chopped pineapple and roasted some sweet potatoes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.